Good morning, children. Welcome to GK class. As a human being, we all have a special talent in us. Each and everyone has a talent in us. A talent in the sense, say, for example, among yourself, some children could sing well, some children could dance well, even some has the ability to draw in a neat manner, right? So each and everyone and as a special talent, that is only we are calling as a talent or skill. Okay, so only some of us would identify our talent at an early age. At the 3 years or 4 years itself, people would have identified their talents, and for some it would take some time. Okay, so here we are going to discuss about the personalities, about the people, those who identify, those who find their talents at an early age itself. That is, very soon they would have identified their talent, and how they worked hard to show the excellent performance in that particular field, how they become popular. That is what we are going to see. Say for example, if you take sports like cricket or film industry or cricket, Sachin Tendulkar, Dhoni are very famous, isn't it? You all well known about these people. Why they become famous? They worked hard, they showed their excellent performance to you, so you like them. Right. In the same way, in film industry, Rajnikant or Vijay or Ajit or whoever it is, you like them because of their performance, because they worked hard and they're showing their excellent performance to you, so that you like them, right? So these both industries you all know very well, because day to day life we are seeing that. But there are some more industries like a musical field or a dancing field, or many fields are there. Some more people, they are working hard, they are showing their excellent performance day to day life. Here we are going to see some of the people in only two fields. One is dance, another one is music. Music only they have mentioned here melody. Okay, so it is a form of music. Masters of melodies and dance. Masters of melodies and dance, in the sense one who is doing excellent performance in dance as well as musical field. That is what we are going to see here. Whoever the names which I am saying to you, keep it in your mind, and in what field they are very famous, that is also keep it in your mind. These two are very famous, very important, right? So the first thing is Uzdar Zahir Hussain. So whom I have introduced to you first? Uzdar Zahir Hussain. Ustad Zahir Hussain is a very famous Indian tabla player. Okay, the one which is having in his hand. I have told no in the previous musical instrument video. I have told you what is a tabla. See, whatever he is having in his hand, that is called tabla. He is a famous tabla player. He used to make his own composition. He will make his own music. Okay, by using tabla. And he is from India. In India, there is a state called Maharashtra. Okay, so in Maharashtra, there's a city called Mumbai. So he is from Mumbai. Okay, so keep it in your mind. He is an Indian music composer. He is very famous because he used to make different forms of music tabla. So the basic thing is he has got all those training from his father, because his father also a very famous tabla player. From his father only he has got training. Okay, so initially people has told he was a unlucky child while he was born. No, at the time everyone told he was unlucky, because his father was not feeling well at the time. He felt sick, so everyone told this child was unlucky likewise. So after that, then also he proved himself that he is a lucky child by showing his excellent performance, because day to day life, morning 3 a.m. he would wake up. From 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. his father will give training to him. He also learnt everything at an early stage itself. Okay, so he had interest in tabla on seeing his father. Okay, so he learnt and everything daily continuously 3 hours he would work, and he had made everything in a proper way. So he has become very famous, and he has got India's prestigious award, great award like Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, all the awards he has got. Okay, so keep it in your mind. Uzdar Zahir Hussain is a famous tabla player. He is from India. Which city? Mumbai. Right? So his father is also a tabla player. All over the world he is very famous because he could play in different forms of music using tabla. Okay, so keep this in your mind. And he has got Padma Shri award as well as Padma Bhushan award. Many awards he has got. These two are very famous. Right? So the next we will move on to Pandit Shivkumar Sharma. Pronounce it again. Pandit Shivkumar Sharma. Pandit Shivkumar Sharma. See the instrument which is in the picture, children, somewhat different, right? This instrument called Santur. Okay, Santur. In this instrument name is Santur. Okay. Actually, his friend name called Hari Prasad Chaurashya. Okay, Hari Prasad Chaurashya and Shiv Kumar both are friends because both are Santur player. They used to play Santur in an excellent manner. So what they have done, they both combined together and they made music on their own. They made so many albums. It was very famous. The popular name for them is Shiv Hari. From Shiv Kumar, Shiv, from Hari Prasad, Hari. Okay, so in short form they have made Shiv Hari and they have made so many concerts in the sense musical programs. Okay, musical programs only we are calling as concert. Okay, concert. And he had learned tabla also. Okay, but he is very famous for Santur. Okay, so Santur is an instrument. He is a well versed player in playing Santur. He joined along with Hari Prasad and made so many programs, so they are popularly called as Shiv Hari. This alone keep it in your mind. Okay, what is his name? Pandit Shivkumar Sharma. Okay, he also got Padma Shri Award and Padma Vibhushan Award. Padma Vibhushan Award is the highest literary award. Okay, so keep it in your mind, Indian government has given these two awards to him because of his excellent performance. Okay, so Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan. Who has got? Pandit Shivkumar Sharma. And the next to Pandit Shivakumar Sharma, we are going to see about Pandit Ravi Shankar. Pandit Ravi Shankar. Okay, actually he is a sitar player. On seeing this instrument, you might get veena in your mind. Veena and sitar are different. Okay, veena we would be using for our Indian classic music. Okay, and sitar they will use for Western Hindustani music. Okay, so these are different forms of music. I'll tell you that later. But sitar and veena both are different. That alone keep it in your mind. Okay, children. So Pandit Ravi Shankar is very famous for his excellent performance in sitar. Okay, so if we take that sitar, he will do in a great manner, so the composition would be very good, and he has done for so many films also. Okay, and after that he has got the excellent award called Bharat Ratna Award. Bharat Ratna Award is the most precious award, and everyone will not get that award, only who has done excellent performance, and this particular award they have to get signed from the President of India. Only he has signed, then only they would get this award called Bharat Ratna Award. What award? Bharat Ratna. He is a famous sitar musician. Okay, so and initially actually he was a dancer, children. He was a dancer. After that only he stopped dancing and he learned music. Okay, so he learned properly. After that he became a composer. Okay, children, and along with Bharat Ratna, he has got many awards like Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, so many things. And we should be very proud. He is also from India. Okay. He is from Uttar Pradesh. So initially we have seen Ustad Zahir Hussain. He is from Mumbai, and Pandit Shivkumar Sharma. He is from Jammu and Kashmir, and sitar player. No, his name is Pandit Ravi Shankar. Okay, so he is from Uttar Pradesh. Okay, keep it in your mind. And then the famous singer, okay, mostly you would have heard about her. Okay, she is from Madurai, Tamil Nadu, our state, and her name is M.S. Subbulakshmi. M.S. Subbulakshmi. Okay, she is from Madurai. Which state? Tamil Nadu. Okay, she is the very first musician to get this Bharat Ratna Award. Bharat Ratna Award, I told you, is very precious award. She is the one who has got the very first a musician. She has got this award, and it is the highest award to be given to the musician. Okay, she is the Carnatic singer, that is one form of music, and she started at an early age itself. At the age of 11 itself, she started performing in front of audience. Okay, and her mother is also a player. She is a veena player, so she is the one taught at everything to M.S. Subbulakshmi. And then what happened? the way she sings the song, it's very soulful. Okay, so in a great way she will sing the song, so she has become very famous. And in two ways Indian government has honored Subbulakshmi. The first one is uh, they have made one statue in Tirupati. Okay, MS Subbulakshmi statue was there. And one more thing, they have released a stamp in her name. Okay, so in 2005 they have released for Gandhi General, we will be having stamp, right, small stamp. Likewise they have released for Suma Subbulakshmi also. And just to respect her, okay, to show their respect, and they have done these two things. Okay, she is very famous Carnatic singer, and we should be proud she is from Tamil Nadu. Okay, MS Subbulakshmi. Okay, children. And then we will move on to Sonal Mansingh. Sonal Mansingh. Okay, Sonal Mansingh, as shown in the picture, she is a very famous classical dancer. She is from Mumbai. Okay, so she started doing dance at the age of 4 itself. She started, she learned so many dance form like Manipuri, Odissi, so many dance forms she has learned. Okay, and she's also got the prestigious awards like Batma Bhushan, Batma Vibhushan, and many awards she has got. Okay, children. And Sonal Mansingh, who is she? Sonal Mansingh. Okay, this Sonal Mansingh is very talented and knowledgeable singer, because she has learned so many dance forms like Bharatanatyam, Manipuri, all the things. Okay, and she is the one has founded an organization, a center for Indian classical dance. Okay, which is in New Delhi. Okay, so what she has done, she had made the center for the Indian classical dance. Those who want to learn dance, they can go and apply there. Okay, so she is the one has done. Her name is Sonal Mansingh. Sonal Mansingh. Okay, so what are the awards she has got? Batma Bhushan and Batma Vibhushan. And then we will move on to Yamini Krishnamurthy. Yamini Krishnamurthy. Yamini Krishnamurthy, also famous classical singer. Okay, she also got the Batma Shri Award, Batma Vibhushan Award, all those things. She also very famous in dancing Bharatanatyam, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, everything. And she is from Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so the very proud moment is she is the resident dancer for Tirupati. Since she is from Andhra Pradesh, she has become the resident dancer in Tirupati. Resident dancer in the sense, whenever there is a puja or whenever there is a program in the Tirupati temple, she is the one who dance. Okay, and she has devoted her entire life for dance. Okay, it's full life she has contributed for dance only. So such a knowledgeable person, so such a great dancer. Okay, she has got many awards. So her name is Yamini Krishnamurthy. Yamini Krishnamurthy, right? And the next person whom we are going to see is Bala Murali Krishna. Mr. Bala Murali Krishna. Okay, so he is a very famous Carnatic music singer, and also he will compose his own songs. Okay, so he has got many awards like, as I already told you, Batma Vibhushan, Batma Shri, and Batma Bhushan. Okay, so many things he has got, and his achievements were vast. Okay, so many achievements he has done. Even at the age of 6 itself he started singing. Okay, so he is from Andhra Pradesh. And more than 25,000 concert I have already told you, musical programs, more than 25,000 all over the world he has done. Okay, not only Tamil, Kannadam, and Malayalam, Hindi, Bengali, so many languages he has sung, and he is very famous all over the world. Bala Murali Krishna. Bala Murali Krishna. Who is he? He is a singer. Okay, so he has got many awards, and he is from Andhra Pradesh. He could sing in many languages. So keep it in your mind, right? And then the most famous Michael Jackson. Everyone knows Michael Jackson, right? Okay, so pronounce it again. Michael Jackson, right? So as you know, he is an American singer. Not only singer, he is also a dancer. He would make his own song, by writing his own song, he will do best in front of audience. In front of audience, he will entertain in a great way. Okay, so he will do so many techniques. He is very popular for his technique only. He will do moonwalk and so many techniques he will use, and he will entertain the audience, right? And he is the one has got 39 Guinness World Record, and 13 Grammy Awards. Grammy Awards they will give to the people, that are the musicians, one who is doing best. Okay, so in music also, dance also, he has done a great job. So they have given 13 Grammy Awards and 39 Guinness World Record. Okay, so in World Record book, 39 times his name was there. Okay, so such a great dancer, you all know very well, Michael Jackson, right children? And then we will move on to the next person called Kunnakudi Vaidyanathan. Kunnakudi Vaidyanathan. Kuntrakudi Vaidyanathan also you can say. Kuntrakudi is a place, it is in Shivaganga district actually. Okay, in Tamil Nadu only, in Shivaganga district there is a place, there is a village called Kuntrakudi. Kuntrakudi Murugan temple is there, no? So that is what. So he has added that particular place name in front of his name because he is from that particular place. Okay, he is a great violinist. Okay, the moment he started taking his violin to his music, he will take the audience to the next level. That much he will do. And the way he composes songs, he has composed in many movies also. He is the best music director award he has got. And he will make the good rapport with the people. So what he will do, no, he will understand the audience need, what they will do. Suppose I am sitting in front of you, means, and in what way I am expecting, in that way he will perform the song. Okay, so he is a very good violinist. The way he performs the music, no, it would take us to the various level. Okay, so in that way he would performs. His name is Kundrakudi Vaidyanathan. So classical music and as well as in the different forms of music he will do. Okay, and he too got Padma Shri Award, Kalaimamani Award, as I already told you, Best Music Director Award, all those things he has got. Okay, his name is Kundrakudi Vaidyanathan or Kunnakudi Vaidyanathan. Okay, so in two ways you can say, keep it in your mind. So Kundrakudi you could able to understand easily. His name is Vaidyanathan. He is a violinist. Okay, he will compose many songs. And then the last and but not least, the last person is Jagdeep Singh. Jagdeep Singh. Actually, he is the ghazal singer, ghazal king they will call. Why? What is called ghazal in the sense? They will select one theme like God or any other story they will take, and using that they will create a poem and they will sing. Okay, so in that way he was very famous, called Ghazal King. Okay, so he used to sing in various languages, many numerous languages he used to sing, and different stories he will depict in form of song. And he worked in lots of films, so many in the films he has worked. He too got Padma Bhushan award, and there is Indian government has recognized him by giving two stamps in his name to honor him. They have given two stamps for MS Subbulakshmi ma'am. They has given stamp, no, in the same way two stamps are there in his name. Okay, and he's a very great music composer. Okay, so and he is also called the Ghazal King because he used to sing the ghazal songs in a well manner. Okay, he used to compose many ghazal songs. So he is an Indian ghazal singer. Okay, so he is very familiar to the musical field. Okay, he is very familiar in the sense everyone knows, prominent, familiar, all are same. Okay children, so he has got Padma Bhushan award, and he will write the songs in a great manner. He is also a songwriter. Okay, so keep it in your mind. Once again, let us go through everything so that you could understand better. So Uzdar Zahir Hussain, tabla player. Pandit Shivkumar Sharma, santur player. Pandit Ravi Shankar, sitar player. MS Subbulakshmi is a great classical singer. Sonal Mansingh, she is a dancer. Yamini Krishnamurthy is also a dancer. Bala Murali Krishna is a classical singer. Michael Jackson, singer, writer, as well as a dancer. Kunnakudi Vaidyanathan is a violinist. used to make music using violin. Jagdeep Singh is a ghazal singer, used to sing a ghazal type of songs. Okay, so and used to sing in numerous languages, in many languages he used to do. Okay, so that's it, children. Go through all the names and in what field they are very famous. Okay, only two field, one is singing, another one is dancing. These two only I have chosen, so go through thoroughly and then do the skill sheet, children. Listen to the skill sheet here. Just learn the skill sheet thoroughly and then write the answer. Okay, so all the answers are there in the video. See the first one. I am popularly known as the tabla maestro. Tabla maestro, a son of a renowned tabla player. See, he is a tabla player. He is called the tabla maestro and he is a son of a tabla player. Renowned means popular. Already they have used in the sentence popular. So another time they don't want to use. So they have used the word renowned. Okay, so renowned means popular only. So father also popular, son also popular. Both are tabla players. Okay, they are known by all over the world. So who is it? Check the video and write the answer. Okay, children. See the second one. A Santur player popularly known as Shiv Hari during his collaboration with Harit Prasad Chaurashia. So Harit Prasad Chaurashia and this person, they both combine together and then they will make music. Okay. Who is that person? Yes. And they are known as Shiv Hari. Why they are calling as Shiv Hari? Already I have mentioned in the video. Go through. And then a popular sitar player. So he is using an instrument called sitar and he is very popular in the western field. Okay, so not in the classical field. Western field is very famous and he has got the prestigious Bharat Ratna award. Okay, so already Bharat Ratna award who has got, I have told you, think and write. Okay, so he is one more clue they have given. He is a sitar player. If you have textbook, you can do in this textbook itself and you can take pic and send it to me. If you don't have, as usual, you write and send. Okay. And the fourth one, the first female singer who has got this Bharat Ratna award is the person name you know very well. She is a singer. Okay, so write it well. And any other new words here? So divine power and loud worldwide. So the way she sing, no, so it makes us to think a god. In such a way she will sing. Okay, so the way she sings, it would be in a great manner. So that is what they have mentioned here. See the fifth one, a very talented and knowledgeable dancer. Okay, born in Mumbai, who knew many dance forms including Bharatanatyam, Manipuri and Odissi, who found the Center for Indian Classical Dances in New Delhi. So she knows so many dance forms like Bharatanatyam, Manipuri and Odissi, and she found the Center for Indian Classical Dance. Okay, so who is that knowledgeable dancer? Write the name. And then Ghazal singer. Ghazal singer, at last I have told you, write his name, and he is called as Ghazal King. Along with that, I have given 8 forms of Indian dances. Okay, all these 8 forms, keep it in your mind. Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Satriya, Manipuri, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Odissi and Mohiniyattam. So these 8 forms of dance is a basic dances which is very famous in India. So they will say as 8 forms of Indian classical dance. Okay, so keep it in your mind and learn and then write these 8 forms in your notebook. Okay, so Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Satriya, Manipuri, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Odissi and Mohiniyattam. And then I have given 2 pictures to identify. This is what, children, write with question. Okay, so you have to write along with the question. Don't write only answer, so that only I have given more time. Write neatly. I want to check your handwriting. Write neatly and then send it to me. Okay, thank you, children. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.